big, bad, substantial Stormtrooper Akins Ford F450 Reserve Edition. Here we go, y'all. We've got so many of these trucks that are releasing now. They cannot be sold until the end of December or early January. Just giving you a sneak peek. We can pre-sell these bad boys, and I'm not rocking Stormtrooper vibes or anything like that. I'm rocking our Wild Willies swag. Check us out at wildwilliesaccessories.com. This truck is available. The first to give us a deposit can pick it up in early January. Let's go! The Star White has so much potential in bringing you custom variations, especially with our Stormtrooper paint package. Just look up front and notate how that grille was not that same way at all. It had a lot of brushed aluminum and grays and blacks and texture components throughout. It's a great truck in the stock form, don't get me wrong, but when we go next level with our Stormtrooper paint package, it really looks like something special, y'all. So Star White on that border perimeter, a gate black on your middle. There's actually chrome dimples here that we deleted, but a Star White and black rendition on that front there. Tow hooks went from chrome to Star White. Fog light surround, that was like a brushed aluminum look. Also took that away. Inside the headlights, that was chrome and black. Did Star White with a gate black throughout that portion there. That big C-shaped LED daytime running light really is a showstopper. It looks truly incredible. The most substantial part of this truck is the Kelderman 5 to 6 inch air ride suspension lift kit. This thing is so incredible. Yes, it is very premium and expensive at the same time, but you get primo ride quality and attributes where the truck articulates up and down, and you've got Firestone airbags that give you premium plus ride quality with Raptor shocks from Kelderman, specifically tuned to get the job done. You got rear radius arms right there. You can see that they're notched just like the new 23 Super Duties that give you more articulation and capability. Now notate also the new almost like a 4-link in the front down below. Money set up all the way around. We're on 38s and 24s American Force Doom wheels in all gloss black. We got floaters. You know we got floaters. Oh man, that makes a huge difference. Look at that. They're just standing still. I've been doing some rolling shots of this thing, and it looks truly epic in this fashion. But the wheel and tire combo, 38, 13.5, 24 Toyo Open Country RT Trail, that hybrid tire from Toyo, and 38 is what we found to be the best overall as far as ride quality, size, and proportion on this kit. Because you know what, your boy Real Deal loves to go 38s when we go really anything more than a 4-inch or really anything more than a 3-inch. Heck, even on a 3-inch, we'll roll with 38, feeling great all the way around. We've got our Stormtrooper paint package is a money setup, removing all that texture and doing Star White with a gate black throughout, even on the side badge. Down here to 6.7, this is a high output, of course. We got white clearance lights up top to go along with it. We're 500 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque. All that texture was removed on that side step there and replaced with a gate black and Star White. We got floaters in the back with a deep, deep dish right there. That Doom wheel in all black. I'm a huge fan of this wheel, but all black, it looks truly incredible to me. Also, we got an MBRP exhaust out back, and we took the texture out of this side bed step too and did a gate black and Star White combo. Star White on your rigid SRQs, and the applique has been made bigger on the 2023 Super Duties. So this is a huge, big, bold, substantial statement out back right here, and it fits the part with the Star White and the gate black. Even the third brake light. We got a Pace Edwards power bed cover to go along with it, a premium power option, nice and smooth and slick. What you're gonna find here with us is that all of our options, they are premium options, but they fit the bill of our premium custom trucks. We're here for everything mild to wild, but you know our Stormtrooper trucks have to make a statement with all of our amenities and creature comforts, because the inside of the truck is all taken care of from Ford with plus leather seating and amenities like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a big 12-inch touchscreen, B&O audio, and then there's our airlift component that articulates our truck up and down with the air ride kit from Kelderman, the Stormtrooper Reserve Edition. My money side shot, this truck is right now sitting at the right height overall. It will articulate down about 3 inches and up about another 2.5 to 3. But on 38s, feeling great. I'm 39 now, but I'm still rolling with the 38s on the Kelderman lift kits in the 5 to 6 mark because of the balance and overall look and feel. This truck is a premium truck on every attribute, from the $99,305 window sticker to the $176,000 price tag on this one. And yes, that seems so absurd to me. I'm not numb to it at all, you guys or gals, but I just don't know what else to do to it. The truck's $100 grand the way it comes from Ford. We add a $20,000 lift kit component on it. We throw 20 grand worth of paint on it. We do 13 grand worth of wheels and tires. We put a $3,500 bed cover on it. We've got train horn, we've got rock lights, we've got all the options that make this truck so incredible, and the price just continues to climb. I get it, but I don't know what else to do but continue to throw quality components on quality trucks and trust and know that you're going to see value in it and come scoop it up right here at Akins. So this truck is available for purchase, but not until January 7th, but you can now put a deposit on the truck and come pick it up on the 7th when it becomes available out of the Ford program. So we've got 7 more of these trucks I'm going to be filming and bringing you here very soon, plus other great trucks that are now going to the National Finals Rodeo in Las Vegas again next week, so stay tuned for that. We've got many F450 Western Reserve and Reserve Edition we're going to release to you, so stay tuned for more. If you're just now catching my channel out, hit that subscribe button and give me a like as well, because that way it ensures that other great people like you see all our cool videos. And I'm your boy, bringing you everything auto in the positive manner, all because of our Heavenly Father. It keeps my perspective centered, and I thank you all for trusting in me and believing in me and supporting me on this endeavor of customizing and bringing the best lifestyle possible, which is the custom one, y'all. Until next time, I'll catch you later. Peace out.